Okay, how to check US inflation or the rate online completely for free.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
The first website is macrotrends.net. You can see US inflation rate from 1960 up until 2024. You can click inflation rate next to GNP and economic growth. And we have a chart. It's currently in a downtrend, but inflation is currently high at the moment, or at least it says in 2022. And you have the historical data to the right, and you have similar country that ranks interest, inflation to the left. Interest will be in another video, but we have another one, stockscan.io. And as you can see here, I'll leave this website completely down below for free. We have all, and we can see this is the inflation. We can scroll down and we do have the historical data of inflation and overview of inflation down below. From currently it's showing November 2023 all the way at least up until April of 2007 online completely for free.